Dementia is a critical health concern that scares a lot of people all around the world. Have you ever thought if you would be able to spot the earliest signs of dementia if they appeared in someone you love or even yourself? The truth is, most people can't. Subtle changes in people often go unnoticed and are dismissed as aging quirks or stress. Yet, these seemingly minor signs could be the brain's first cry for help. Today, we'll explore the silent signs of dementia that doctors don't always discuss. The warning signs that, if recognized early, could make all the difference. Stay tuned as we uncover the whole truth. Welcome to Levitas. Why are these signs often ignored? Dementia is a complex condition that develops gradually, often hiding behind subtle, everyday behaviors that are easy to overlook. Society tends to associate dementia with memory loss, so other signs like apathy or vision changes are ignored or misinterpreted. Family members might chalk up unusual behavior to stress, fatigue, or normal aging, especially when the symptoms don't align with the traditional image of dementia. Doctors, too, may miss early signs if they are mild or don't fit into diagnostic checklists. For instance, an older adult who seems withdrawn or unmotivated might be assumed to have depression rather than early dementia. The stigma around cognitive decline also plays a role, discouraging people from discussing early concerns with their physicians. This dismissal is problematic because the brain changes linked to dementia can start decades before obvious symptoms like memory loss occur. Identifying these early signs is crucial for implementing strategies that may slow progression, optimize brain health, and improve quality of life. Recognizing these overlooked signs requires awareness, vigilance, and the courage to question what might seem normal. So, what are the less-known signs of dementia? While most people associate dementia with forgetfulness, its early signs can be far more subtle and diverse. These lesser-known indicators often emerge years before memory issues become prominent, and these include changes in mood or personality, like unexplained irritability, anxiety, or mood swings can hint at brain changes that precede cognitive decline. Difficulty following conversations, struggling to keep up with fast-paced discussions, especially in noisy environments, may signal early processing difficulties. Losing track of time or forgetting appointments occasionally is normal, but repeatedly confusing days or times could point to something deeper. Struggles with decision-making. The difficulty weighing simple choices like what to wear or what to cook could be an early red flag. Decreased sense of smell. This diminished ability to detect or identify scents has been linked to early brain degeneration, especially in Alzheimer's disease. Paying attention to these signs and seeking early medical advice is crucial for families and can better prepare them for early interventions. How does apathy signal brain decline? Apathy, or a lack of motivation, is one of the most overlooked early indicators of dementia. It goes beyond occasional laziness or fatigue. It's a profound disinterest in activities or relationships that once brought joy. But why does this happen? Apathy is linked to damage in the frontal lobes of the brain, areas responsible for decision-making, planning, and emotional engagement. When these regions start to deteriorate, individuals may withdraw socially, stop pursuing hobbies, or appear indifferent to their surroundings. This change is often mistaken for depression, but there's a key difference. Unlike depression, apathy doesn't typically involve feelings of sadness or hopelessness. Instead, the individual simply shuts down, showing little initiative to participate in life. Families must recognize this pattern, as it often signals the brain's early struggle to regulate itself. By addressing apathy early through cognitive therapies, engagement in stimulating activities, or social interaction, it's possible to slow the decline and maintain quality of life. Can subtle vision changes predict dementia? Surprisingly, your eyes might offer the first clues about your brain health. Subtle vision changes, such as difficulty judging distances, trouble with peripheral vision, or struggling to recognize faces, can be early signs of dementia. The link between vision and brain health lies in the visual cortex and the neural pathways that process visual information. As dementia develops, these pathways may be disrupted, leading to difficulties in interpreting visual stimuli. For example, someone might misjudge the height of a step, causing them to stumble or struggle to follow a moving object like a car. Another common issue is visual spatial challenges, difficulty determining how objects relate to each other in space. This might manifest as trouble parking a car or setting a table. These changes are often dismissed as vision problems are unrelated to the brain. However, they highlight the interconnected nature of the nervous system. Regular eye exams and neuro-ophthalmology assessments can be critical for early detection and intervention. Why is hearing loss a factor? Hearing loss is more than a frustrating inconvenience. It's a major risk factor for dementia. Research shows that individuals with mild hearing loss are twice as likely to develop dementia, and this risk increases with the severity of hearing impairment. Why is this the case? Hearing loss forces the brain to work harder to process sounds, diverting resources from other cognitive functions like memory and decision-making. Over time, this strain can accelerate brain atrophy, especially in regions responsible for auditory processing and language comprehension. Moreover, hearing loss often leads to social isolation, a well-established risk factor for cognitive decline. Individuals who struggle to hear may avoid conversations, group activities, or noisy environments, reducing the mental stimulation necessary to keep the brain sharp. Addressing hearing loss early, whether through hearing aids, auditory training, or assistive devices, can ease cognitive load and help maintain brain health. Recognizing and treating this issue is a proactive step toward preventing dementia. What role does gut instinct play in early diagnosis? When it comes to dementia, family members often notice subtle changes long before doctors do. This gut instinct can be an invaluable tool for early diagnosis. Whether it's sensing that a loved one is acting off or noticing small but persistent behavior changes, families are often the first to detect these early warning signs. Why is this instinct so important? Early recognition allows for timely medical evaluations, potentially leading to interventions that slow disease progression. For example, noticing that a loved one is repeatedly forgetting tasks, avoiding conversations, or struggling with once simple chores could prompt a discussion with a healthcare provider. Family members also play a vital role in observing patterns that might not emerge during a brief doctor's visit. By documenting concerns and advocating for thorough evaluations, they can ensure that subtle signs don't go unnoticed. Trusting gut instincts fosters early action, helping families better prepare and access resources that improve outcomes and quality of life for those affected by dementia. In conclusion, the early signs of dementia often whisper rather than shout, and that's precisely why they're so easily overlooked. Society's narrow focus on memory loss as the hallmark symptom overshadows the reality that dementia is far more multifaceted. Subtle indicators like apathy, vision difficulties, and hearing loss are frequently dismissed as normal aging or unrelated health issues, allowing the disease to progress unnoticed. Even doctors may miss these signs if they don't fit traditional diagnostic criteria, further delaying crucial early interventions. Understanding these lesser-known signs can transform how we approach dementia. Mood changes, struggles with decision-making, and decreased sense of smell, for example, reveal that dementia's reach extends far beyond memory. Each subtle symptom tells a story of underlying brain changes, offering a window for early detection and proactive management. Apathy, often mistaken for laziness or depression, highlights damage to key brain areas responsible for motivation and engagement. While vision issues like trouble judging distances signal disruptions in visual processing pathways. Hearing loss, another overlooked factor, amplifies dementia risk by straining cognitive resources and fostering social isolation. Yet this, too, can be addressed with tools like hearing aids, offering hope for mitigating its impact. Equally vital is the role of family members, whose gut instincts often capture shifts too nuanced for routine clinical evaluations. By trusting these instincts and acting promptly, families can bridge the gap between early signs and timely diagnosis, ensuring that no clue, however small, goes unnoticed. Recognizing and addressing these silent warnings is our best defense against this devastating condition. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.